Do you want to make homemade ice cream, but you don't have an ice cream machine? No problem. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade cherry ice cream that you can easily make in a food processor. Hey guys, it's Christine and welcome back to my channel. I'm making today's video in collaboration with Basil Bandwagon Natural Market, and without further ado, let's jump into making this delicious and easy homemade cherry ice cream. First, we're going to whip 1 cup of heavy cream. You can use a hand mixer for this, or like I said, I'm just going to make it simple and whip it right here in my food processor. After 30 seconds, or however long it takes to get a nice fluffy consistency, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of frozen cherries. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, but you can feel free to skip this if you don't have much of a sweet tooth and the cherries are enough sweetness for you. Or you can always substitute a little stevia or monk fruit powder or whatever you like. I'm also adding a pinch or 2 of sea salt, a teaspoon of vanilla powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and an optional egg yolk. If you're concerned about raw egg yolks, you can just skip this, but otherwise it does help to make the ice cream very creamy and stay soft when frozen. Now we're going to process it again and incorporate those ingredients. Store it in a container and freeze it to serve later. To do this, you can either store it in small individual containers so that you can just take out like a cup or so at a time, whatever you need, let it come to room temperature slightly before serving it, because this ice cream will get firm in the freezer, so I like to soften it a little bit before serving it. Alternatively, you can put the whole batch in a shallow pan, freeze it for an hour, and then just stir it up with a fork, freeze it again, and just keep stirring it up every hour to keep breaking it up, and do this for several hours before transferring it to a container. This will help to keep the ice cream softer. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make cherry ice cream without a machine, and that you try it yourself. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream? If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I always appreciate if you give a video a thumbs up. You can share this video with a friend who also loves ice cream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.